Hey everyone, how is it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add captions in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into it. I have imported this video, and first, I'm going to show you how to add captions on long form video. Then I show you how you can add captions on short form. Let's add this video to the timeline and let's play the raw video first.
See, you've been fed this narrative about balance.
Now go to text and click on auto captions. Also click on generates and it's going to take time to process. Okay guys, Capcut has generated our captions. Now we're going to modify the text. Start, you can change the fonts on the text. Also, you can play with the pattern. Now let's change the color of the text. I'm going with golden, and if I scroll a bit, you can also add stroke, background, glow, and shadow to the text. If you click on templates, these are by Capcut, you can use anyone. If you click on effect, these are all pre-made text effects by Capcut that you can use in your video. Let's add animations to the text. Click on animation, you can also choose from here. But if we click on captions, these are the ones I think you should use if you are adding captions. Let's add this one and see the video.
All of it is complete nonsense. I remember I always used to subscribe to this. Like, oh, I need balance. I need to make sure that I'm sleeping well.
That's how you can add captions in Capcut PC. Also remember that sometimes there are spelling mistakes and text doesn't match the video, so you have to adjust that manually.